exit the elevator.
No.
Make me better.
I told you that
Not
LB
yet.
will buy you more time, and it will, if you respect his limitations and your own.
Sit. You too. Wait.
What do we do?
No.
Put him on a tight
Wait.
leash.
No.
Took nurses to keep an eye on him. Make sure he doesn't get in line through his hikes in the stairwell.
That's the band stick for you.
Ah. Sit.
She's more Robbie, he's more Max.
Preston, what do we do?
Wait.
The damage to his body we can try to control. The damage to his spirit.
Wait.
Until that trolls
Not
come.
yet.
Like Dilly.
There you
Tonight
go.
we spare for use
There
on
you go.
him.
Down.
All the way down,
All the
Lily.
way down.
She's kind of
All the way down. Back.
Find something to try to control.
Hey, girl.
Keep
Okay, I'm done. Wait.
This is your third trip around the room. We're not doing it no more.
Stop. Wait.
Finally got Melanie to
No.
shut up.
Fine.
How's she doing?
Images coming up now.
She's like, hey, I'm back.
I think that dog right there made that one want to go for it. Wait.
Oh, how's she
No.
alive?
Yeah, they stopped
Page
having her
Shepherd,
different
Burke,
pants.
Montgomery Shepherd, the chief.
Yeah, they
Be
do.
searching with an available hand. Get an ORO.
Either when they
Go,
eat and drink or right
Melanie.
after they get into food.
Wait.
Could be a stretcher. Let's pull her out of there now.
Ah. No. Sit.
3 days ago, I had a shovels.
No.
I had my wrist in shovels mouth for good probably 10 seconds before I noticed.
Wait.
Hey, have you seen
No.
I
any
didn't even realize that she had my wrist
No. She's starting to get it. Wait.
Mr. and Mrs. Johnson.
They just got to figure out what it is you want, and then they'll do it. Wait.
I think they know what you want, they just don't want to do it.
No, they haven't figured it out yet. Once they figure it out, they'll do it to get the snack.
Mr. and Mrs.
I feel
Johnson.
like everybody
Wait.
here
Big
feels
Jim.
like that. It's so funny.
Ah. Wait. Wait.
Is it
No.
real?
No. Back.
What?
Back up.
When your daughter came
No,
into the
over here.
her body was over-pumping.
Over here.
Her bloodstream with adrenaline, which kept her
Sit.
conscious and alert and pain-free. During the CT scan, she was lying still for
Yeah,
extended
set it on the
times,
ground.
so her body relaxed.
Wait.
And the adrenaline stopped,
Sit.
which
Wait.
allowed her to succumb to the full extent of her injuries, which
Wait. No. They are doing it with two at the same time.
Uh-huh.
Excuse me?
Now sit. Wait.
You don't need teasing your mom.
Not yet. No. Ah. Almost. Sit. You wait till I say it's okay. No. Wait. Wait. Sit.
I have a feeling I'm gonna be Lily's
that
mom
was such a
here.
new plan until I saw.
Wait. Pat.
Girl, sit down.
Let's see.
Did you ever like talk to him
No.
about
What I want you to do is sit in that fetal monitor and watch that
Wait.
baby's heartbeat.
She wants to, but mine's still
No.
sick too bad.
Get back.
Yeah,
do they have any same personalities so far that you know of?
Sit.
She's heard on
Have a seat.
I always wanted to try to find some
Not yet.
Shallow's siblings.
Okay.
See if any
Go
of
ahead.
them turned out to be as stupid as
We are
her.
going to do absolutely everything we can.
Great.
Oh,
Okay, here.
bravo.
Now it's your turn. Sit.
Uterus is protected.
Baby's Harley's gonna food.
146.
Wait.
Okay, baby's safe.
Look at that ass.
Yeah,
See you
he's
with the mother.
barely- He's probably about a
Lungs
favorite
are damaged
fucking
too bad.
dog. He's
bottomed out.
No.
Let's stretch you.
No.
He's on track to be bigger than us, though.
He's like a
Wait.
There's too much bleeding. She'll never last. Shove
Damage control.
No.
it.
You want baby to do damage control.
Charlie,
Start. Damage control.
come here, Charlie.
Wait.
Everyone knows the rules. We're going to move as rapidly as possible. Don't worry about finishing repairs. For now, we're on crisis
Close enough.
management, people. Just get it done.